Thanks for having me, Alex. We're going to get into the watch, but first I want to give you guys a little bit of background story to this watch. So Oris partnered up with the gentleman here, Ernst Bromeis. He's a freshwater ambassador, and he will be wearing the Aquis Date Relief on his next upcoming adventure this summer, where he will be swimming Lake Baikal in Siberia. It's only a short swim, it's 800 kilometers long, and it'll be in very cold water. And during that swim, he will be wearing the Aquis Date Relief with the red rubber strap, as shown here. A little bit more details on the watch. It's basically a regular Aquis selection. You have the rubber strap with the clasp with the wetsuit adjustment. You'll notice here on the slide, you're able to do a quick adjustment on your wrist if you want to wear it over a wetsuit. Very practical for people who actually use the watch to dive. You have a wonderful anthracite dial with a nice stainless steel bezel with that relief motif on it. People call it the relief, either way, we all understand each other. It is a 43.5 millimeter case with a screw down crown with the exposed case back as well. This watch will also be featured on different types of straps, and shown here, you will see a few of them. You have it on the red rubber strap and on the gray rubber strap. Retail on these will be $2,300 Canadian. Same thing, you do have it on a gray leather strap. First time we use a gray leather strap at $2,350, and on the stainless steel at $2,600. So I will leave you guys with the message that we got from Mr. Bromeis last time we met him. If ever you're walking in a national park or by a beach or by a lake and you see plastic on the ground, please pick it up. This freshwater ambassador is going to be highlighting fresh water around the world so that we are a little bit more conscious about it and do efforts to try and preserve it, because our freshwater supplies are getting depleted. And this is just another introduction by Oris that has that world aspect of trying to make it a better place and doing good stuff towards the environment. So, like I said, Aquis Date Relief, beautiful timepiece, bezel introduction, available now. If you're interested, you could contact Christine's and they'll take care of everything for you.